Basic HTML for Beginners. Hello everyone, welcome to our front-end web development series. In today's video, we will learn basic HTML for beginners, step by step, from zero level. If you are learning web development or want to become a front-end developer, this video is perfect for you. So make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's start learning HTML. HTML history. Since the early days of the World Wide Web, there have been many versions of HTML. Summary timeline. Year, version, key features: 1990 HTML, original, basic hyperlinks or text structure. 1995 HTML 2.0 forms, standardization begins. 1997 HTML 3.2 tables, scripting. 1999 HTML 4.01 CSS, cleaner structure. 2000 XHTML 1.0 XML based strict syntax. 2014 HTML5 semantic tags, multimedia, canvas. 2017 now HTML living standard, constant evolution, modern APIS. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the standard language used to create web pages. HTML defines the structure of a web page using different tags. Without HTML, there is no website. HTML is the backbone of web development. How HTML works? HTML uses tags to display content inside a web browser. For example, headings, paragraphs, images, links, tables, forms, and many more. Each tag has a specific purpose. Now, let's create our first HTML file. Open Notepad or VS Code and write this code. Doctype HTML declaration defines that this document is an HTML5 document. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the HTML page. The title element specifies a title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser's title bar or in the Pages tab. The body element defines the document's body and is a container for all the visible contents, such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. The H1 element defines a large heading. The P element defines a paragraph. Save the file as index.html and open it in your browser. You will see a big heading, Hello World, and a paragraph below it. Congratulations! You just created your first web page. Explain basic HTML structure. Let's understand the structure of this HTML document. Doctype HTML tells the browser this is an HTML5 document. HTML, the main container for the whole page. Head contains information about the page, not visible on website. Title of the web page shown on the browser tab. Body, the visible content of the web page. H1 heading tag. P paragraph tag. Common HTML tags. Now let's see some basic and commonly used tags. H1 heading 1, H2 heading 2, H3 heading 3. P, this is a simple paragraph. BR creates a line break. HR creates a horizontal line. Add an image. To add an image, use the img tag. Add a link. To add a website link, use the tag. Final practice mini project. Now let's make a small profile web page using HTML. So this was the basic introduction to HTML. In the next video, we will learn more tags and create real projects. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you want a full HTML course with projects. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.